For the 27th problem on the second ACT practice test, Min cuts a board in the shape of a regular hexagon and pounds in a nail at an equal distance from each vertex, as shown in the figure below. How many rubber bands will she need in order to stretch a different rubber band across every possible pair of nails? So in essence, we're starting with one of these nails and we have to put rubber bands around all of the other nails. And our end goal is to make sure that if we pick any two nails at random, that they have a rubber band around them. So basically, we're just going to start putting rubber bands on one of the nails to each of the other ones and see if we notice some kind of pattern. So we'll start with this nail and put a rubber band here, 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 and here. And we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rubber bands to start. And then let's now move on to this nail. And from here, you'll be able to see a pattern. So we already know that we have a rubber band between these two. So we can skip that and start putting rubber bands to the other ones. And when you're finished, you can see that there were 4 that were added. So we move on to the next one. And as a guess, just to see if we do understand the pattern, we can hypothesize that the next one will only add 3 new ones. And so we're at this nail here, and you can see it's already connected by orange to this nail and by green to this nail. So it only has to connect to these 3 nails. So we have 3, and then you could probably guess at this point that the next 2 nails will contribute 2 and then 1. But let's prove that. So for our next one, we're at this nail here, and you can see it's connected by blue to this nail, by green to this nail, and by orange to this nail. So it only has to connect from this nail to this nail, and from this nail to this nail. So we have 2 more there. And let's use black for our last one. And our last nail, it's connected to every nail but this one. So we'll only be adding 1. So we have +1 here. And then this last nail is already connected to all the other nails, so we don't have to count anymore. And 5 + 4 is 9, +3 brings us to 12, +2 to 14, and +1 brings us to 15. So we would need 15 rubber bands to be able to connect every nail with each other nail by a rubber band. So you can see choice letter A would be the final answer.